Welcome to Microneedling for Hair and Skin Regeneration. This is your quick, complete micro course, perfect for students, doctors, and anyone curious about regeneration. I'm Dr. Arvind Poswal, and I'm excited to guide you through the LiveNatural Education Series. So, what's this course all about? You'll get practical tips and real know-how on microneedling for hair and skin. We'll talk safety, how to pick the right device, using serums, and smart recovery steps, so you can feel confident and get great results. Let's start with the basics. What is microneedling? You might have heard it called collagen induction therapy. Basically, it means making tiny, controlled punctures in your skin or scalp with superfine needles. It sounds a bit intense, but these little injuries actually kickstart your body to make more collagen and elastin, bring in stem cells, boost blood flow, and help your skin or scalp soak up those regenerative serums way better. So how does it work? When you create those micro-injuries, your platelets jump into action and release things like TGF-beta, PDGF, and VGF. This wakes up the WNT/beta-catenin pathway, which is super important for hair growth cycles. It also gets stem cells moving and helps your tissue remodel itself. Plus, for the next day or two, your scalp or skin is extra ready to absorb any topicals you put on. Now let's talk about the tools. There's the derma roller, which is great for covering big areas on your scalp and gives you decent precision. The DermaPen is awesome for your face or patchy spots on your scalp, super precise. And the DermaStamp? That's for small bald spots or scars, where you need the most accuracy. If you're just starting out with scalp microneedling, the Derma Roller is probably your best bet. Easy to use and really effective. Here's a tip. Always use the Derma Roller in the same direction as your hair grows, and make sure your hair is a little damp. You want to see tiny pinpricks of blood, not too much. And don't overdo it. 4 to 6 passes in each area is plenty. How often should you do microneedling? Once a week or even every other week is just right. Doing it more often can actually cause problems like inflammation or even scarring. And don't forget, always sterilize your tools before and after each session. Let's walk through the steps together. First, wash your hair with a gentle, chemical-free shampoo a few hours before you start. Next, make sure your hair is just a little damp. Then, use the Derma Roller in smooth strokes, always following the direction your hair grows. You're looking for those tiny pinpoints of blood. That means you've got the right depth. When you're done, clean your device with alcohol and store it somewhere sterile. After microneedling, what you put on your scalp really matters. For the first 2 days, use topical NMN lotion, Fisetin liposomal lotion, copper peptide serum, and resveratrol plus grapeseed serum. From day 3 to day 7, just stick with the resveratrol and grapeseed serum. Apply it once or twice a day on a clean, dry scalp. This routine helps your scalp heal and get the most out of the treatment. For the first day or two after microneedling, be extra careful. Skip shampoo, dyes, conditioners, swimming, steam, and don't touch your scalp with unwashed hands. Try to avoid pollution and direct sunlight too. What you should do, use a clean cotton pillowcase and let your scalp rest. Right after needling, your scalp is super absorbent, so it's a great time for regeneration. Want to give your results a boost? Think about adding some oral supplements. Stem Cell Booster can help your hair follicles stay healthy. Omega-3s fight inflammation. Glynax supports detox in your mitochondria, and Biotin Complex is great for strong hair. You can find these at www.livenaturalproducts.com. And here's the really cool part. Microneedling doesn't just help your hair and skin look better, it actually boosts genes like SIRT1 and those that repair DNA, helps your mitochondria work better, wakes up sleeping stem cells, and even helps reverse aging and inflammation in your scalp. Pretty amazing, right? If you'd like your digital certificate, just send your name and quiz answers to us on WhatsApp at +91 9818201323. And if you have any questions or want a personal protocol review, feel free to message that number too. I'm here to help. Thanks so much for joining me in this LiveNatural Education Series on microneedling for hair and skin regeneration. I hope you found it helpful. Take care and see you next time.